Which is the best autofocus mode to click super sharp images? In this video, let's explore the various autofocus modes and understand which one to use when and why. Let's look at the various autofocus modes available to us. They are AFS, AFA and AFC. On Canon cameras, we have one shot, AI focus and AI servo, which are basically the same thing. When we are clicking a subject that's not moving around, we can set our autofocus mode to AFS, which is one shot on Canon cameras. When we set the autofocus mode to AFS and tap down the shutter release button, the camera will focus on the subject and stop focusing. However, if the subject is coming closer towards us or moving away from us, we need to constantly update the focus so that when we click the picture, the subject is in focus. This is especially true when clicking pictures of wildlife. In that situation, we set our autofocus mode to AFC, which is autofocus continuous. AFC is AI servo on Canon cameras. With the autofocus mode set on AFC and the shutter release button lightly tapped down, the camera is going to keep focus on our subject. However, to ensure that our subject is sharp, it's important that we set our autofocus area to single point and navigate that one single point in the viewfinder and overlap it on the area of the picture where we want maximum focus. So for example, if we are clicking a picture of a person or an animal or a bird, we need that focus on the eye. If the eye of the subject is even slightly out of focus, that image does not look in focus. When we set our autofocus area to single point and manually maneuver the focus point to the eye, we ensure that the subject is absolutely sharp. If you'd like to click super sharp images of wildlife, I have more videos for you on my channel that shows you the end-to-end workflow that will help you to click better pictures.